It's time for a tool review and giveaway. Brian at Shenzhen Atuman sent me their X3 Precision Driver Set. Soon to be available, but you can pre-order it from Kickstarter. Paraphrasing from the X3's Kickstarter page, this portable repair station contains 78 high-precision repair components, 69 of which are divided into 11 categories of bits, 64 short and 5 long bits. The kit is contained in this nice plastic box with a real physical hinge which snaps open or closed. It measures 13.6 by 18.4 centimeters and is 3.5 centimeters thick. That's just under 5.5 by 7.25 inches by slightly less than 1.5 inches. The X3's aluminum alloy handle has a nice feel with its satiny finish. It's not insulated, so be careful if you're working on a powered circuit, which you should not do. But this spinner thing here, just look at this thing go. There's a gaggle of ball bearings in here, and it just spins and spins and spins. Will it ever stop? Still spinning. There! The kit also contains 3 pry bars, 3 spudgers, a small magnifying glass, a suction cup, and a positioning plate to hold screws and other small components, which doesn't seem to be magnetized. An unusual design choice was to use these round shafted bits with locking tabs instead of the more conventional 4mm hex shaft. The upside is that the bits really lock in once you've chucked them into the driver. The alternative, a 4mm shaft like this one, which holds through magnetic force and snugginess, sometimes slips out of the handle. This is secure. Downside? Well, it's proprietary, meaning you can't use these bits with a 4mm driver. It's a closed system, but it works. Unfortunately, replacement bits are not sold through Atuman. Maybe they should look into that. Oh, like this. So which bits are included? They're all listed right here inside the cover. 11 Torx ranging from T2 to T20, 7 Phillips from 000 to 2, 6 slotted heads from 1 to 4, 13 hex from 0.7 to 3/30 seconds, 5 posit drives from 000 to 2, there are 5 triangles from 2 to 3, 3 squares from 0 to 2, 3 pentalobes from 0.8 to 1.5, 6 tri-points from 0.6 to 3, 4 spanners from 2 to 4, and 1 standoff 1.5. And then you've got 5 longer bits, including 3 Torx, a Phillips, and a hex bit. They're clipped into the bottom of the case, but the shorter bits are held in this 2-sided tray magnetically. Do they hold securely? Well, this kit was shipped from China, and I imagine it was bumped quite a few times along the way, and all the bits were in place. Either the delivery guy had instructions to secure all the bits before gently depositing it at my door, or this magnetic retaining system really works. Look at this, it even pops up a bit. Oh, look at that. It's got a little erection. Oh, here's an interesting addition. They're listed as Torx, but they're actually Torx security bits with the little hole right there in the center. That's a plus. The bits can be magnetized right here. Surprisingly, the X3 kit doesn't have a demagnetizing port, which nobody in recorded history has ever used anyway, but doesn't magnetize. And yes, it does. Yeah, I feel some, how does it feel? Feels good. It's got a little notch here, which I believe you'd use. Could you use a pry bar? No. Spudger. I guess you'd use another tool. These are clipped in, yeah, to give yourself a bit more leverage. So, let's see. I can see people using this for eyeglasses, computers, iPhones, game controllers. Oh, yeah, you just wedge the spinning head in your palm. Yeah, but I'm not keeping it. It'll be given away to one of you lucky subscribers. Lucky you. The manufacturer claims the bits are made of S2 steel. So a hardness test using my Atuman tester made in Japan using the 065 file. Not even a nick. Yeah, that's the good stuff. And it spins like crazy. If you go to Atuman's website, you'll see they manufacture everything from axes to golf rangefinders with lots of specialized tool and testing kits thrown in. I'm not really familiar with the whole Kickstarter thing, but in the case of the X3, Atuman has chosen to launch it via this crowdfunding program. You can pre-order via a link you'll find in the comments. Can I say I'm not sponsored? I'm not accepting any sort of payment for this. I'm not even keeping the toolkit. I'm giving it away to one of you subscribers. This creates content for my channel, which means views, and the giveaway drives up my channel subscriber count. But no, I'm not sponsored. Here are the official giveaway rules. What you win: the featured Atuman X3 Precision Driver Set, this one right here. But please, if you're entering just because the X3 is free, but you don't see any use for it yourself, leave it for someone who can actually use this driver set for the betterment of humankind. If you're aching just to get anything for free, go to your local fast food place and pilfer their free ketchup packets. How to enter. Subscribe to my channel, Duct Tapers Anonymous, on YouTube. Leave a comment, something to the effect that you'd like to win this tool. Duplicates will be removed. Official rules. It is free to enter to win. The contest opens at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, May 30th, 2026. The contest closes at 9 AM EST on Saturday, June 6th, 2026. Still spinning. The winner will be chosen randomly amongst the first 100 comments with a YouTube comment picker at 9 AM EST on Monday, June 8th, 2026. Still going. And will be announced in the comments section, comments section here and as a YouTube short the same evening. If the winner has not followed the rules of the contest, they will be disqualified. After announcing the winner, they must contact me via email at bob@ducttapersanonymous.com to claim their prize. I will validate you are the account holder with a keyword that you will then edit into your original winning comment of this video. That way, I'll know it's really you. Sort of a manual two-factor authentication. If the winner does not respond within 2 weeks, they will be disqualified and a new winner will be chosen. Any information collected by me will be used for the sole purpose of delivering the prize to the winner. This contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and I am solely responsible for the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. I won't be sending anything to any of you, so don't respond to any communications announcing you're the winner. It's probably a scam. The winner will need to contact me first. That's it. Good luck, everyone. and see you in the next video.